What's our thing?
I think KC's house.
Hey y'all, welcome to KC's house. Chaqua, Pookie, Ray Ray. Everybody say what's up. So we back today, guys. We got some pan-fried chicken breast with some onions, black beans, rice, cornbread, some limes, and some cucumbers with some dressing. Chaqua has already drenched hers in hot sauce, so she won't even know how it really tastes. Neither here nor there. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys tell us down in the comments what you're having today. Today is Sunday, the 27th. All right, so Diona has already blessed the food, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. These limes couldn't have been any smaller. There's not even no juice in them. Wow. Oh well.
No juice at all?
None.
All right.
But we're gonna keep on moving. Hello.
Period. How y'all Sunday going so far?
I'm not really a black bean person. I'll eat them. I'm a red bean girl. I love red beans.
I like both with red beans more.
Yeah. I thought you liked black beans more. Oh, y'all, by the way, Diona has started her YouTube channel, so make sure you guys go and follow. She's Diona Tyler. If you'd like the link, I'll leave it in the description box below of this video.
Go check my baby out.
She loves to read.
Talk.
Like a mama. Hello?
By the way, guys, if y'all have any topics y'all would like us to discuss, any suggestions, send them our way.
What type of business you want to have?
My bad. Cause you have no idea.
You have it?
Onions?
Yes.
Y'all been hanging out the spring break?
They shut down Miami Beach, right?
Yeah. As they should.
Onions and chicken. And the cucumbers is where it's at. I was so undecided about what I wanted to cook. I knew that I didn't want to be in the kitchen cooking all day starting on Friday. Something quick, easy, and to the point. Because no one else will volunteer and say, well, I'll do the cooking for us. Gonna put this cornbread on this juice.
Right. Stop her up.
What Brown say?
Give me the staff. Yeah, I'll cook and everything, but I wasn't blessed like she was. I can't cook nothing like my mama can, and I made peace with that. I'm good with that.
She won't even try. So what's the best for you?
Everything but the chicken and the beans.
The chicken
And
is
I
the
see
start
what you're saying
tonight.
with them onions right now.
Right.
You left a little bit.
Y'all know once you cook them onions down, make it all sweet. I just started eating onions, I think my late 20s. My sister Sabrina started me to eating onions. Yep. And ever since then, I ain't been back. And actually, Chaqua got me to eat mushrooms from going to
Who?
How many shoppers you know?
Oh, you mean Tam?
I mean Chaqua. I'm going to Benihana's.
Oh.
And when they put the mushrooms on that grill with them onions and that steak,
Mm-hmm.
my God, today. That is some good eating. Mommy, can you give me another spoon, please?
Benihana not the same though. It kind of fell off. It's another place called Blue Ginger Samurai. It's good.
Thank you.
You like it?
Hmm?
You like it?
I love it. Y'all, these cucumbers, when I normally make them for me, I put some tomatoes and some purple onions. I don't need nothing else. I don't need nothing else. It's a whole meal for me. Why didn't you get the ones on the top? They got the juice on it.
The one on the bottom, I'll stop with them. And they keep that wrong stuff on.
Woo! Ain't nothing like the basics.
You full already?
Don't worry about my business. Mix that with that cucumber. Yeah. That's how you get down with the get down.
Period.
Oh my goodness. Y'all know, I already know. It don't take much for me to get full. Whew. I got you.
I'm laying down.
I got you. Oh Lord, I ain't combing my hair.
What?
Lord, y'all got, hold on. I'm all on the YouTube, on the internet with my hair wrapped up. Y'all hold on here. Why y'all ain't telling me I was on here looking rough? Like somebody had done me wrong. Completely forgot I had that doggone scarf on.
And you so ready to eat.
We were so ready to eat, hungry. Whew. Well, we ain't gonna delete this video. We recorded when I cooked brown stew chicken. We recorded that, but oh no, we wasn't feeling it. For whatever reason, Chaqua couldn't get her.
I could not get comfortable. Get small in here.
You big in here. We could not get comfortable. We wasn't feeling that, and I deleted it. But this one, we not gonna delete it. With me looking a good mess. It is what it is.
And that's on who?
And that's on phone now, right? What?
Mary Had Little Lamb.
Mary Had Little Lamb. Y'all know I'm the biggest nerd it is, so I don't know nothing about the slang and the hip talk, none of that. Yeah, but we gonna let this one ride. Even when we looking like I'm about to go rob somebody, it's going up.
It is what it is.
Right. Whew, I'm full. Oh my goodness, I'm full. Whew. Shot got her a nice Coca-Cola. Maybe she'll give y'all one.
No. Keep my videos online.
You gonna be a little upstanding citizen now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mighty fine.
Some mighty fine cocktails.
These ones good.
You gotta get the ones up top with that. Excuse me. That Trader Joe's seasoning that. With your bread sprinkle on it.
Can I get the last piece of bread?
Sure. You eat that when you finish that one you got.
Becca want to be hurt so bad.
Don't do my baby like that. That's why she got her own channel. So y'all make sure y'all go watch her. It's Diona Tyler. But I will leave a link for y'all to watch her and subscribe.
Yes, please.
Thank you. We're getting ready to go to Tampa next month, and I cannot wait. When I tell you I am so excited for them crabs.
We gonna do a mukbang?
Of course. Nikki said we was gonna do one of us will go Facebook Live. Yeah. But we can do the mukbang. Why not? You probably got more friends than anybody else. Hell. Yeah.
Y'all gotta talk to her. I be shy.
She say she's shy. But when I tell you this thing won't shut her mouth,
It gotta be family, or I gotta be comfortable around you. Other than that, I'm chilling.
My
Low
mom
key.
don't like that.
Keep shit
Did y'all see how close she got to my face just then? I deal with it every day. As if she's sitting right here, I won't hear her. She got to get right here to ask the question.
And I complain so much about the passengers at my job doing that. Personal space means nothing to them. They got to get right here to ask you a question, and I do the same thing.
The same thing. Whew. That got me right where I need to be. You hear me? Whew,
Isaac.
bingo. Shaw can't play on y'all today. Shaw get down with the get down today. She was trying to be cute last time. What you said, Brina?
No, last time I couldn't get comfortable.
I mean, the first time, yeah.
Oh yeah, the first time, I was trying to keep it clear. I'm professional. But those who know,
No. Y'all, I had started watching. I told you guys before, I love to watch Korean mukbangs. You know, when you start watching one thing, they start showing you all different things, kind of sort of related to that. And this Korean woman popped up cooking and cleaning. Y'all know me how I am with cleaning. That lady had me rethinking my whole life talking about cleaning. Thursday, Friday, and yesterday, I have been cleaning. I woke up Friday morning as soon as my feet hit the floor and took my glass table apart to clean it. Like, listen, that lady has me stretched out. No wonder my back's hurting.
That's why.
Y'all, that lady had me real. I'm talking
She
about.
over here cleaning stuff that's not dirty. There's neither here nor there.
Listen, and in the video, she wasn't using any type of chemicals. It was just vinegar and water and lemon and water and baking soda. That was the main thing, and baking soda and all of her cleaning. And I'm like, you have got to be kidding me. So I put the vinegar and water on my cabinets. Listen, the way those cabinets looked, like it was a fresh coat of paint. So that just was a whole whirlwind with everything. 3 days, y'all. I have been non-stop cleaning. So I'm tired. My back hurting too. Fumbling with this big old table. I moved all the couches. It was nothing back there, but not here nor there. You done?
Mm-hmm.
So I guess that's it. We're gonna see you guys in the next one. We're gonna try to do a Taco Tuesday, but we really don't eat like loads of tacos, you know. And Chaqua so boring. All she have on hers is the shell and the meat, and she drinking the hot sauce. It's not, you know, it's not pretty to the eye. Of course, it's delicious, but and then I eat so little. So we're gonna try to do a Taco Tuesday. If anything, just sit down and talk to y'all.
And also, if you guys have any topics that you would like us to discuss, touch bases on, let us know.
And until next time.